A long time ago, I used to have a job. I was working, I was selling cars, and what happened was I decided to move home to my parents' house, literally back to my original bedroom where I grew up, and we formed the company, started it. A little bit crazy, a little bit risky, but it worked. And right before the whole COVID thing, we absolutely failed, lost everything. That failure was probably the best thing that ever happened, because what happened, we learned a lot. We learned how to fail. You know, what's better than somebody who has succeeded with everything and got everything perfect is somebody who succeeded but also failed. And then we started again. This time I had my wife with me. So it was like two forces, being through the failure, lost everything, made the mess. And in the space of the last 3 years, we've had more growth than the last 10 years just by using that experience.
I'm Ollie. I'm a senior sales consultant here, and I've been here just under a year. I enjoy helping customers. People coming in, not sure what they want, looking for a bit of advice and guidance, and I can sort of provide that to them. They're actually understanding what they're going for with a lease. Yeah, I just enjoy helping people and sort of getting them what they're after.
So I actually used to work for Mercedes-Benz a very long time ago. And when you work for a brand like Mercedes-Benz, you fall in love with it. You know, you want to do things in your own way. You want to do things, well, I like this, but I want to do it my way. You can't do that. I think the eager and the passion to sort of work and set up something and grow something with all the challenges and everything getting thrown at you, it's exciting. But I think what works is having a great set of people around you to help you do that, and everybody grows together. I think when you add genuinely caring about customers, I'm not talking about, you know, making sales, we genuinely care about people in terms of customers. If you don't lease that next car from us, I'm gonna personally feel like we've done something wrong. So I think that the passion and drive to genuinely look after people and create a great set of culture.
Hi, my name is Tia and I am the Senior Sales Support at VIP Gateway. Since I started, we've massively grown over the past year, and not just in terms of the sales team, but the sales support team as well. My typical day here at VIP Gateway is quite crazy. It's very, very busy as well, but there's nothing I love more than working with the team and working with the girls in my team as well.
In terms of milestones on the journey, I think falling flat on your face. You know, I think with anybody who's on a journey trying to build something, trying to grow something, you have to have massive levels of failure within it in order to recognize what you're doing, readjust and go. The only thing you can really do is keep your head in gear.
My name is Bailey. I've worked at VIP Gateway for 4 years now. What excites me the most, I'd probably say the growth. Coming forward from where we started to where we are now in such a short space of time, there's only a lot more that we can do going forward.
The team that deals with you have an element of exciting. They're trained, they're dealt with on excitement. To some people it sounds cheesy, it sounds stupid. To us it sounds like that's what's required in this level right now. We live in a world where the margin for error and the gap and the requirement for each customer is moving higher every year. So what do we have to do? We have to move 10 times above that. That's how we ensure satisfaction. The very first thing that sets us apart is the people. The people in this business, the culture. We have a very long, intensive, and very more so selective recruitment process. But it starts with the people. If we don't have the right people, how are we going to genuinely blow customers' minds? How are we going to create a unique offering? How are we going to have competitive price advantages? How are we going to procure and buy these enormous deals that we buy? And then we have unique offerings in the market that genuinely benefit customers again and again every 2-3 years, right? Starts with the people. The most important thing in this business, and this what we do, is culture, people. I genuinely want to like, and I do like everybody we work with, everybody in the business. I want everybody to enjoy it daily. That then breathes across the customers. You understand? They feel it on the phones. They feel it across the department. It's more fun for the customer. It's more fun for us. So genuinely, that's what sets us apart. Then we apply that to every department. I don't care if you're in the sales team, the sales support team, the marketing team, the after sales team, the pricing team, the procurement team, the HR. It doesn't matter what department you work in. That same value flows, right? And then everybody we deal with understands it. That's what we're about. We like to do our own thing. Simple as that. Some of it's crazy, some of it's good, some of it needs help. But we're out there in our own section really creating these trends, not just following them, creating new patterns, creating new ways of doing things. Everything that we do is for fulfillment. It's enjoyable. Previously, we've done things because we need a business. You need to grow. You have to drop. You know, you need a way to do things. Right now, we do things genuinely to grow. Are we making a difference, truly? From a non-cliche corporate point of view, are we genuinely making a difference compared to what the norm is? And I think that's what we're about. That's what excites me. When we take people and we bring people in with a minimal skill set and we transform them to 12, 36, 48 months down the line, they're an absolutely completely different type of person. From a customer point of view, when they started with us on their first car, they know nothing. And 5, 6 years in, they've had 2, 3 cars off us. They know the system, they're educated. We've done the business cars, we've done their own cars. That's what's truly fulfilling and creates a sense of enjoyment.
The most exciting part of my day is seeing everyone how excited they are about, obviously, all of us hitting targets. We've all got personal goals too within work, so we all sort of get on together and try and hit them all together, really.
Enjoy helping customers, come in who need a bit of guidance, and then I'll end up sorting them a vehicle thereafter with a price they're happy with.
The most exciting part about the job, I would say, is plain and simple, is probably reaching new targets and also speaking with new people on the phones every day, as well as working with some of the best people I can work with. I don't mean any of that. I hate you all.